Beth has seen the towers. She's up to the challenge if she can just reach the table. The table's so far away. Oh no! Monster Beth is approaching the towers. The city better beware. Oh, she's being merciful. Is Bethy showing mercy on the town? Oh, except for that part. That part of the town was naughty, right? Where are you going? Where are you going? Can you come over here? What do you think? The rest of the town can stand? Mama. There she goes. Yay! She made it to the edge of the table. That's pretty good. My tower is still partly standing. That's very good. Now, you want to go to the table? Go over here. Ooh, Bethy's tired. So much playing. Wear anybody out. Cough, cough. You get there?